Today I'm going to go over how to change the key fob battery on this Nissan Rogue key fob. This is the 5-button key fob. It may be shared with other models. This is for the Rogue that I am driving. So first we're going to release our spare key. Put that to the side. You will need a tiny little screwdriver like so. And you are going to pry here and here. There are the tiniest little slots that go here, and you need to hold it like this and twist. Boom. Till you hear that click. And then again on this side. And then you can, if it doesn't click apart, you can gently pry along this edge until, and then this edge until it comes apart. It'll come apart like this. So there we go. Make sure you pay attention to which way the battery is, because it won't work if you put it in backwards. So battery comes out. This is a classic CR 2032 super common battery. The positive side goes down. Boom. There's also this little relief where you can go there, and that's like kind of a little spring-loaded guy, so make sure you get it. Oh, I didn't quite get it into the shoe. It's like a little shoe right there. Boom, there. That's in. So there's like kind of a little spring in there, and if you don't catch it right in there, it won't go in. So make sure you get that in there. Then we're gonna take our fob and put this back together like so. And this just clips. You can start with the toe and go this way. Clip, clip, clip. Throw your key back in. And that's it. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you need the battery, I'll put a link in the description. All my links are Amazon or Walmart links, and I get a small commission when you buy through them. I appreciate it. Thanks, and have a good day.